Hey guys, welcome back to Sweet and Savory Treats with Gia. Today we are making my famous kimchi jackfruit tacos. Many of you guys have asked for this recipe on Instagram, so I decided to bring it to you today. And I start my recipe off with Trader Joe's canned jackfruit. If you don't like canned products, feel free to buy a big whole giant jackfruit, cut that open. It's too time consuming. Every night I make 2 dinners, one for me, one for my carnivorous kids. So what you'll see sometimes in my videos, if you like and subscribe down below, you'll see me make meals that could be made for the carnivorous people in your household or the vegan vegetarians in your household or just plant-based eaters. So here we go. So how I like to start it is I'm going to cut up, it's about 1/4 of an onion and 1 clove of garlic. So we're going to mix that in with our jackfruit after I open the can. And it doesn't have to be like cut all fancy. I'm a mom. I know there's a lot of moms and dads out there that are cooking for a large family, and you want easy recipes. So my recipes are always going to be easy. So we're just going to cut that up, put that in a bowl, do a hard chop of the garlic. Wipe that off the knife. I love garlic. If you don't like garlic, omit the garlic. But I love garlic. And I'll always post the recipe below my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So, see how quick that was? It was easy, right? So you have that. And then we're going to move this aside. And let's cut open this can the right way. Around the top. And this is a very difficult can opener here. My tiny hands. There we go, voila. And you have a can that won't cut. So you're going to want to strain all of the juice off of your jackfruit. And this is what you get. Add a 1/2 cup of Korean barbecue Bulgogi sauce with a 1/2 cup of Go-Chu Jang hot and sweet sauce and 1 tablespoon avocado oil into your jackfruit and onion and garlic mixture and stir. And we're going to do about a tablespoon of total seasoning. Then we'll do a 1/2 tablespoon of this one's garlic powder. You gotta season it a lot, almost like you would, chicken or beef. And this is a 1/2 tablespoon of onion. And then just gonna mix this up. So incorporate that. And we're going to leave that in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. So I put a tablespoon of avocado oil into my skillet, and we're going to turn it on. Get that hot. We've got our marinated jackfruit. Then we're also going to just do these simultaneously so they can come out fast. So you're just going to put like a 1/2 of a teaspoon into this skillet. And this is, wrong one. This is for the shells, because we just want to take the shells and kind of warm them up a little. And I found, you guys, I was so happy with this find. I found Mission tortillas. These are vegan. They're all plant-based. They have no eggs or anything. But these are street taco sweet Hawaiian. And I thought they would go really good with the whole like spicy, sweet, kimchi, bulgogi taco. And then I've got some regular ones. So when that heats up, we'll just like heat up the shells. We're going to heat up the jackfruit. Once it's hot, I'm going to turn it high because I kind of wanted to crisp it up a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to take our marinated jackfruit and add it into our skillet. You want to hear that sound. You don't hear that sound, your skillet's not hot enough. Man, I wish I had smell of it so you guys could smell this. Have your fire on like medium heat. Now we're just gonna put this down. And just cut up your jackfruit while you're cooking it, because I like the sauce to be on all parts of my jackfruit. I'm just gonna cut that up. And this skillet's hot, so we're gonna start with our sweet Hawaiian ones. I'm just gonna lightly coat them because we want them just to cook a little bit. And so what I have done in advance is I didn't dice up. I did like a soft dice, like a soft dice of cilantro, picked it off, kind of want them a little bigger. And I julienne, is it julienne? I think it's julienne. Some green onion. And I cut up some cherry heirloom tomatoes. And we have our lime. And then I buy kimchi. If you live in LA, there are a ton of great Asian and Korean markets throughout LA. And so that's where I like to go get a lot of my Asian ingredients because they're good. They're great, straight from the source. So this is kimchi, and these are our toppings for our tacos. This is the easiest meal you'll ever make. You're literally just going to cook your jackfruit, do your shells, and assemble. It's that easy. So now that the jackfruit has cooked down, this is what it's going to look like. It kind of looks like a barbecued pork. So we're going to take our jackfruit. Remember, it's hot, people. We're just going to put a little on each shell. I can eat these tacos all day, every day, you guys. Then we're going to sprinkle with some cilantro. And it's great for like the game season. I don't know how many of you guys are into football, but like I love football, and this is a great game snack. Like, so you're tuning into your favorite team. We put some green onion. Make sure you get some of the white and the green part of the onion. It just enhances the flavor. Trying to search through my bowl. Okay. Then we'll put a little bit of the tomatoes. It's roughly like 3 tomatoes per small. Now, depending on the size of your shell, but these are the street tacos. So this is the kimchi. So we're going to put a little of that on top. And for those of you that don't know what kimchi is pickled cabbage, but it's pickled cabbage in spices. So it's super yummy. So we'll put a little top of there. Make sure they're all equal, equal opportunity kimchi lover. So, and we're just going to take our tacos and put them on the plate. And bon appetit. that is my jackfruit kimchi taco, and they're really easy to make. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can stay tuned for all of my amazing videos that I'll be posting every week. Let's see how they taste, guys. Let's go for it. I'm gonna love this. I'm starving, by the way. So good. Spicy. But so good, guys. So tune in for my next video. Don't want to have anything in my teeth. But please like and subscribe.